If you are new to the world of Ripple investing, you may wonder if XRP is a good investment or if you should invest in it. Let's dispel all the Ripple-related myths floating around the net before you even consider investing in Ripple. Ripple is one of the best digital assets in the crypto industry, so we are here to help you understand Ripple's investment principles. But before we get started, let's explore the basic concepts behind Ripple. What is Ripple? Ripple was created in 2012 by Ripple Labs to modernize payments worldwide and make international transfers faster, cheaper, and safer. Ripple is an overnight settlement and digital currency XRP platform. Ripple uses its own protocol, the so-called Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm, RPCA, to ensure smooth transactions. Interestingly, Ripple's network, RippleNet, connects major financial providers and banks to facilitate cross-border transactions. RippleNet connects over 200 financial institutions in over 40 countries, including giants like Santander and Union Credit. Ripple has phenomenal trillion-dollar growth potential. Considering the global cross-border payments financial system, trillions of dollars used for liquidity, and blockchain technology's emergence, Ripple will separate to network most or all of the payments market. For those who bought it early, XRP has performed admirably, and XRP soldiers are now bragging about how many records it has broken. 5 years ago, if you spent $1,000 on something, it was worth 6 figures. That was a perfect time 5 years ago. Today is the next best time, and in today's video, we'll discuss why and how. This video will detail XRP to help you make an informed decision, especially since owning 750 XRP is way more than you think. One of the most popular altcoins in the crypto market is Ripple. Ripple's demand will only increase as the market grows. For a short time, Ripple XRP coin held the position of the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Do you plan to invest in XRP in the long term? Would you buy Ripple coins and keep them for 10 years? Then you need to have enough information to make a decision you won't regret later. Now is a great time to use XRP to increase your funds. All over the world, huge investments have been made in digital assets. Ripple transactions have made many people rich. There is a lot of evidence that investing in Ripple can make you rich. Ripple has made significant strides. It is also one of the most important cryptocurrencies. More than 200 financial institutions continue implementing Ripple's technology, and the trend is going strong. Ripple is growing in popularity. In 2021, it had a remarkable year without a price increase. After all these questions, analysts reflect on the trend of XRP in the final quarter of 2022, showing that Ripple XRP is a good investment. They are also confident that the value of the XRP token will increase significantly by 2030. But considering factors such as its size and price determinants, these analysts and investors seem unlikely to believe XRP can hit $5 so soon. So, is it worth investing in Ripple? Well, now that you know the basics of Ripple, let's see if Ripple is a good investment and if XRP is a coin worth watching. According to CoinMarketCap, Ripple has a total market cap of $35 billion and ranks 8th behind coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. One of the main advantages of Ripple as an investment option is that Ripple is used by many major financial institutions, which could lead to XRP appreciation in the future. Imagine the following scenario. If one day banks around the world accept Ripple and you have invested in Ripple, you may be sitting on a gold mine. Unlike the traditional SWIFT banking system, Ripple is more convenient, faster, and cheaper. It's no secret that banking platforms take up to a few days to process transactions, while Ripple takes up to seconds to transfer funds worldwide. Additionally, since transactions are conducted in XRP, costly currency exchange fees are kept to a minimum. Now, you can easily send Bulgarian lev to a friend who lives in Morocco. Transaction cost on Ripple is only 0.0001 XRP. Isn't that a good reason to consider investing in Ripple? And guess, XRP can be traded not only for fiat currencies, but also for other valuable assets like gold. Would you consider investing in XRP? A few years after the launch of XRP, experts from MIT University named Ripple Labs as one of the 50 most innovative companies in 2014. One of the world's top private research universities is MIT University. Over time, banks and other financial institutions became interested in implementing Ripple's payment system. 5 years later, in 2019, more than 200 financial institutions are already using some of Ripple's technology. The robust RippleNet blockchain is used by over 300 vendors from 40 countries on 6 continents. Santander, American Express, and MoneyGram, a money transfer service provider based in the United States, were among the early adopters of Ripple. Since many crypto analysts and speculators believe that Ripple has a bright future, it is a popular choice among novice and experienced traders. Here are some simple arguments for investing in XRP and why investing $1,000 will make you rich. Compared to the last peak in 2018, Ripple is affordable. You can get a substantial amount of Ripple for under a few $100, and even a tiny $50 will give you over 65 XRP. Ripple's all-time high was around $3.10 in 2018. However, according to confident analysts, it will reach $1,000 within the next 10 years. Some predictions are significantly more optimistic than others. Given its low price and growing popularity, buying Ripple is a relatively low-risk option with a potential for a high return on investment. Because it was one of the first, if not the first, cryptocurrencies to be widely recognized by banks and other major financial institutions, Ripple has the edge over other cryptocurrencies regarding industry acceptability. No other major cryptocurrency can utilize its fiat crypto synergy. More than 100 banks have accepted it, including critical international companies like BBVA, Axis Bank, MUFG, SEB, etc. Another advantage of having close relationships with banks is that their affiliates and relationships with these financial institutions are mostly protected from the changing crypto laws. All the money, information, and virtual currency can be sent and received using the Ripple Transaction Protocol XRP. Ripple's transaction protocol is recognized to process large transfers in many countries with the cheapest fees compared to centralized financial institutions. Ripple supports open-source payments, and XRP is a cryptocurrency that uses the Ripple network. While the popular Ethereum network, ETH-USD, focuses on decentralized finance, Ripple and XRP mainly concentrate on cross-border commercial payments. Ripple has earned the trust of crypto experts. There are signs that the platform will gain more acceptance and the currencies could appreciate significantly. This is a great time to invest in XRP because anyone can make a big commitment. Why should I consider investing in Ripple? While investing in Ripple may be worthwhile, remember that no investment is 100% safe and profitable. So whether you should invest in Ripple is up to you. On top of that, Ripple is often criticized for its centralized nature, with Ripple Labs owning 61% of all XRP, which goes against the concept of cryptocurrency as a digital alternative to traditional banking. It should be noted that another investor concern is the proliferation of cryptocurrencies launched by central banks, which could cause Ripple to disappear in the future. Lastly, diversification is essential in the trading world, which is reason enough to invest in Ripple. After all, Ripple XRP is not only a cryptocurrency, but also an innovative platform for a digital payment and remittance network. While major financial institutions mainly use Ripple, XRP is the principal messenger that moves money around the world, not the almighty dollar. More and more private investors are turning to Ripple. If you think Ripple is a good investment and decide to consider Ripple, you can ask yourself, how much could Ripple be worth? Making predictions about cryptocurrencies is complicated. Experts believe Ripple can rise sharply. Based on price forecast and Fibonacci extensions, Ripple experts claim it could reach extreme highs within the next 5 years. Although this price is not comparable to other top coins, we must acknowledge that Ripple has grown over the years. In particular, 2022 is a tumultuous year for the crypto market. Although Ripple fell victim to a stock market crash and its social media performance suffered, some experts predict that Ripple could hit $12 in the coming years. For example, if Ripple manages to integrate smart contracts and adapt to new crypto regulations, demand and prices could increase. While no one can predict the future of Ripple, Ripple is an investment option worth considering. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies is volatile and risky. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and to stay updated, make sure to click the subscribe button.